In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change voices on Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm and go to the notebook you want to work with. Make sure you are inside the correct notebook, because the audio settings you adjust here will apply to the audio overview you generate from this specific content. Next, look for the audio overview section. In that area, you will see a small pencil icon. This pencil icon is where you can customize how the audio overview is created, including the style and the voice guidance you want the system to follow. Click the pencil icon to open the customization panel. Inside this panel, you can provide specific instructions to shape the audio output. This is also where you can refine the overall focus, so the audio stays centered on a particular topic from your notebook instead of covering everything equally. You can also choose a language, which is helpful if your sources or your audience are in a different language. You can adjust the length as well using options like short, default, or long. Short works well for quick summaries, while long gives more detail and context. You may also see format choices, such as deep dive or critique. Deep dive generally produces a more thorough, explanatory overview, while critique leans more toward analysis and evaluation of the material. These format choices can affect the tone and pacing of the narration, so pick the one that matches the kind of audio you want. Now focus on changing the voice. Find the instructions box in the same panel. In this box, type your voice preference clearly. For example, you can write something like, use a professional narrator voice, or use a calm, friendly voice with a clear speaking pace. If you want a certain style, you can add a bit more guidance, like sound formal and authoritative, or sound warm and conversational. Keep your instructions simple and direct, so the system can follow them reliably. Once your instructions and other preferences are set, click Generate. Notebooklm will create a new audio overview using the updated guidance you provided, including your requested voice style. If the result is not quite what you want, you can return to the pencil icon, adjust the wording in the instructions box, and generate again until it matches your preference. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.